These are the elevators at the Hilton Garden Inn, Panama City, Florida. Like the last couple of hotels I've filmed at, we've got more Schindler HTs. But this one, the panel is in not as good condition. We are at 4. Let's take a look at the airlock. 0306 is the date listed, so March of 2006. Again, look at that. You can see behind the panel a little bit. That's not good. Anyway, here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. We're gonna see if we can ride the other elevator. Hopefully it's in a little better shape, but let's see. We'll cut to when we get. These might actually be on separate controllers. Yeah, they are. Look at that. Anyway, I'll cut to when we get. Here it is. So yeah, interesting how these two are on separate controllers, but they're the same bank of elevators. Just to confirm, watch this. Yeah, you can hear the other one going. I heard it for a sec. You can hear the other one going up. Actually, wait, real quick. That one also says March of 2006. I would have been especially surprised if these had two different installation dates, but they don't. At least this one, the COP, is in much better shape. There's your certificate. I don't know what's up with these lines. And that'll be it.